Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I have this UOMA Beauty Salute to the Sun Drama Bomb Extreme Volume Nourishing Mascara to try out. And I love trying out mascaras, and this one sounds awesome. I got this as part of my January 2023 Boxycharm Premium Box, which that video is up here on my YouTube channel if you haven't seen that unboxing yet. And so this has a retail value of $19.50, and I love that it has nourishing ingredients in it. It has jojoba oil, castor oil, and avocado oil. And I just have seen such great results from really taking care of my lashes with lash serums and primers, and I really believe that nourishing ingredients like those can really help the lashes grow so long and beautiful. Plus, this claims extreme volume, and I love that for my lashes. I pretty much look for as much volume as possible with basically like a falsies effect. And this is really pretty packaging with the gold. Let's go ahead and see what this wand looks like. Ooh, this looks nice. Kind of like an hourglass with like brush-like bristles that get a little longer in some places, a little shorter in the middle, but seems like pretty, like, I guess normal-ish, like size and type of brush. So here's what that looks like. I'm hoping it'll just be really easy to use and apply and not too messy. And so I'm going to go ahead and start applying it to just one of my eyes so that we can compare the difference. I feel like my lashes are looking very invisible today. But ooh, right away going in with this, it's really nice. It's coating every lash. They're staying separated so far, which is something I also really look for in my mascaras. They're a nice black color, no clumping. There's already some good volume going on. My lashes are also looking very straight today. I didn't curl them, so I'm interested to see if this has any lift to it. A little mascara getting on my eyelid, but wow, I love that I can just brush that away easily. But this is off to a good start. It also seems like it should be a good wand for the lower lashes. So before I build up the top lashes, let's see how this is on these lower lashes. And yeah, this is nice to coat all those lower lashes, darken them, but it's not messy. I really like this for these lower lashes. But okay, I'm gonna try layering this up because I want to see that extreme volume. Ooh, it is nicely buildable. And I am getting some curl, good volume and definition. The lashes are staying separated still. I am really loving the look of this. This is what I look for in my mascaras. A lot of volume, yet staying separated, lifting and curling, dark color. So buildable that I feel like it's really giving me that falsies effect that I was looking for. I did get a little bit of mascara on the eyelid, but let's see. Oh, I love how easily it dusts away. It doesn't smudge away. That is awesome. So let me show you the lashes with it versus without it. I love the effect. I find it to be nicely volumizing, but maybe not super lengthening. I'm going to go back in with just a little bit more to see if I can tap the ends and just create a little bit more length. Ooh, that does help. It just seems to stick onto the lashes so well that it's really easy to build it up. This is the type of mascara that I feel like I could sit here for so long and just layer and layer because the lashes are getting more and more volumized, yet still staying separated. It's a very lightweight mascara is how I feel like it's applying, which is great. Wow, this is exactly what I like to get my lashes to look like. Oh, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and apply it to the other eye. Yeah, this is such a great wand, such a great formula. I was looking for a new mascara to work into my daily makeup routine because my current ones are running out, and this is exactly what I was looking for. This will be my new daily mascara because it really does not take that long to apply to build it up to exactly the effect that I like to get for my lashes. And it's great for these lower lashes, so I'll be able to use it as my lower lash mascara every day. I'm always so much messier at applying my left eye than my right eye, but that's the other thing I love about this, that it's so easy to clean it up. On this side, I'm seeing a little bit of actual clumping happening that I didn't really deal with on my other eye. So I'm just trying to brush that through, and luckily it does seem to brush through. But I think if I apply too much, it will start to look a little clumpy. But so here are my finished lashes, and I feel like I cannot say enough how happy I am with how my lashes look. It just really, it creates a whole eye look, really enhances the eyes, really draws the attention to the eyes with how incredible these lashes look from this mascara. So I highly recommend this. I'm so glad I have it in my collection. If you've tried it out, let me know in the comments down below your thoughts on it. And thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.